Can you download private YouTube videos on iPhone and are afraid to figure it out? Let's jump right into the video. First thing first, head over to your application YouTube. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. For now, head over to any of the YouTube video. Once you're inside the video, you should see the option of download right here. You can see you cannot tap on download option. It might be because of the privacy of the video owner. Similarly, you can go back and head over to any other video as well. Let me move into this one for now. Click on it. For this video, you can see the option of download right over here. You can click on it and download according to your need. But if you really want to download the private videos, then I guess it's not possible. All of the private videos of the people will not be shown to you in the YouTube itself. You will need to have the access to their private video. All you can do is request them to send the link of their private videos. Once you have the access to it, you can simply download it on your device and then only you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.